Hey, and welcome to VFX Tutors. I'm Josh, and it's really, really hot at the moment, so I'm really red and sweaty, but I'm going to give this a go. So, this isn't a tutorial, this is more of just like a fun challenge for VFX lighting. This is something you're going to have, if you guys as be a lighter in VFX or want to learn lighting, this is something that's very common that you'll probably have to do. And as simple as it looks, it's actually really tricky as well. It's not as easy as it looks. And even you can see in my thumbnail, I spent quite a long time trying to get this right, but it's still not even right. So I'm sure you guys can probably even do better than I have. So download all the footage. Show me your results. That'd be great. Maybe I'll find someone that can actually do a tutorial on this, because I don't want to do one, because it's mostly me figuring it out myself as well. So yeah, enjoy the little challenge. I'm going to stop going on. So if you enjoy this little thing, hit that like button and subscribe for more like this. So this is my efforts. I probably could have spent a bit more time on it. The colors are not perfect, or they're close, but it could be a lot better. And you can see that I've kind of gone up through a very, well, almost no exposure to a very overexposed. And that's so I can sort of see, because a lot of the fall off on the shadow really gets revealed a lot in underexposed and overexposed shots. And especially if your grayscale has a little bit of speck, it kind of also helps to match your grayscale. But other than that, this could definitely be better. And yeah, so I'm going to go through and do some of the rules that you want to do for it. So make sure you download all the data, because that's what you're going to need to use. So you're going to get given a HDRI. There's a Photoshop file of the chart, and that's it. So whatever CG software you're going to use, you're going to use one HDRI, use the chart to compare against, then use one CG light for the key light if you need to. That being said, you might not need to use a CG light. You can always maybe possibly grade the sun. It takes a little bit longer, but there are multiple ways to do this. But for this, the rules to use one HDRI, use the chart provided, and one CG light, or no CG light. So yeah, here's a few details on like the balls that I've used. So they're 7.5 centimeter radiuses, so 15 centimeter diameters. They're 24 centimeters apart, and the Macbeth chart is 29 centimeters wide by 20.3 centimeters tall. And the HDRI was taken almost pretty much in the exact same place as the balls. So the HDRI was taken on almost the exact same place. So you should be able to get it pretty close. One other thing is my grey ball isn't 100% matte or non-reflective. As you can see in the picture, there is some specularity in it, and yeah, it can be problematic sometimes, but if you can work around it, I find most of the time. And on the left, you can see my settings that I use to sort of replicate the real-time specular fall off, and you can use these and copy them into yours, because it's if you've not done this before, it can be a little bit tricky. But start with my values first and see where that gets you. And obviously my color is the 18% gray on here. So have some fun with this. It's not serious. It's just a little bit of fun training. That it's just a little opener for what you might have to do if you do come in lighter. But yeah, if you've enjoyed this, very quick. It's not even a tutorial. It's just a little bit of fun. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more like this. Thank you.